Oh, hi everybody. My name is Willem Delventhal, and I'm the founder of the Indie Game Academy, and we're about to launch a brand new incubator program called the Indie Game Foundry, which I have a very exciting announcement about. Now, in the Indie Game Foundry, you will be launching a brand new indie game studio over the course of 12 months. We will actually help you form a business entity, bring your game to Kickstarter to self-fund it, and then finally launch your game to Steam as well as a number of other platforms of your choice. We at IGA have always believed in empowering the game creative to pave their own path, and we want to see people uplifted in this industry who aren't already uplifted. And as a result, I now come to that very exciting announcement. We have decided to entirely self-fund the Indie Game Foundry program, which means the price that you have to pay to join a 12-month-long program is exactly $0.00. Now, we will still have a revenue share agreement with you, and there's a document linked down below, which you can get all of the details about the program in, including that agreement, as well as the professors and more. But what this means is that we only make money if you make money. We are really betting on you. Now, the application deadline for the Foundry program is December 20th, and the very first cohort starts January 13th. So we hope that you apply and consider founding that brand new studio you've been dreaming about with us. All hail the indie revolution. See you then, everyone. Bye now.